Alright, so I just started the car, traction control's on, VSA is on. If you hit this traction control button, traction control's off. If I go pull out of here, get on the car will start to spin, and then traction control will kick in and it will limit power. So to shut off traction control and VSA completely, what you're going to do is press the brake. We're going to do traction control off, traction control on. Put the e-brake up, let your foot off the brake, traction control off, traction control on. With the e-brake still up, you're gonna press the brake, traction control off, traction control on. So now you'll see the traction controls lights on, it's fully disabled. VSA lights on, that's disabled. So right now you're not gonna have any limited power, but keep in mind traction control is completely off and VSA is off. So basically in the 10th gen or 11th gen community, they refer to this as the pedal dance, but I just wanted to give you guys a walkthrough of how to do it and how to disable it.